How's it going, everybody? So I'll be showing you guys a long anticipated 2023 Dodge Hornet. Before we start, I want to thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you'd like to see more content like this in the future. Now, taking a look here under the hood, you do have your intercooler turbo 2.0 inline 4 engine that does roughly 268 horsepower, and it comes with a 9-speed automatic transmission. Now taking a look here on the side and also the wheels, which I'll put exact measurements on the screen with the length and also the height of the car. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you'd like to see more content like this, make sure to like and subscribe. I will leave this information for the vehicle down below, link to the website so you can check it out. As of today, it's still available, and there is no markup on this vehicle. It's also the MSRP. So I do have my information down below if you want to send me a text, give me a call. Like I said, this vehicle is still available. And then once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe, and next time. Have a good one.